Hello friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to study some important problems in differentiation. First question, set as a function of x comma y where x is equal to e raised to u cos v and y is equal to e raised to u sin v. Show that y into dou z by dou u plus x into dou z by dou v is equal to e raised to 2u dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou x whole square plus dou z by dou y whole square is equal to e raised to minus 2u dou z by dou u whole square plus dou z by dou v whole square. So consider the first sub question, that is y into dou z by dou u plus x into dou z by dou y is equal to e raised to 2u dou z by dou y, in which we know that z is a function of x and y. So if you want to differentiate the function with respect to u, we should first find dou z by dou x into dou x by dou u plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou u. Okay, for that dou x by dou u, here x is equal to e raised to u cos v is given, so dou x by dou u is also e raised to u cos v, because we know that the function of exponential which has a differentiation of same exponential functions, that is dou x by dou u, that's equal to e raised to u cos v, dou y by dou u is equal to e raised to u sin v. Okay, so from that we can substitute the expression, that is dou z by dou is equal to dou z by dou x into e raised to u cos v plus dou z by dou y into e raised to u sin v, for which we can put that as e raised to u cos v is also x only, e raised to u sin v is y, so we can get the answers like this. Next we have to find dou z by dou v. For that dou z by dou x into dou x by dou v plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou v. For that we know that x is e raised to u cos v, so dou x by dou v means cos v differentiation, that is minus sin v, so minus e raised to u sin v, and dou y by dou v, that's e raised to u sin v differentiation, that is e raised to u cos v. So after putting this expression we get the answer as x dou z by dou y minus y into dou z by dou x. To prove that, we multiply dou z by dou u with the y and x into dou z by dou v, so we get the expression like this. From that we know that the same term which cancels, so x square dou z by dou y plus y square dou z by dou y, and x is in the question, that is e raised to u cos v, and y is e raised to u sin v, and after putting in this equation, x square means e raised to 2u cos square v dou z by dou y plus y square is e raised to 2u sin square v dou z by dou y. So from this expression we can take e raised to 2u common, and dou z by dou y is also common, and we get that is cos square v plus sin square v, that is 1. So we get the answer as e raised to 2u dou z by dou y. We proved the first sub question, that is y into dou z by dou u plus x into dou z by dou v is equal to e raised to 2u dou z by dou y. Okay. Sub question, we have to show that dou z by dou x whole square plus dou z by dou y whole square is equal to e raised to minus 2u into dou z by dou u whole square plus dou z by dou v whole square, in which we know that from first sub question we know dou z by dou u is equal to x dou z by dou x plus y into dou z by dou y, dou z by dou v is equal to x into dou z by dou y minus y into dou z by dou x. So in right hand side dou z by dou u whole square, so x into dou z by dou x plus y into dou z by dou y whole square plus dou z by dou v whole square, this quantity whole square into e raised to minus 2u. We know that a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square, that's equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here x dou z by dou x whole square plus y dou z by dou y whole square plus 2 into x into y into dou z by dou x into dou z by dou y plus x square dou square by dou z by dou y whole square plus y square dou z by dou x whole square minus 2xy dou z by dou x dou z by dou y, in which the same term cancel, and we get the answer as e raised to minus 2u into x square, that is x is equal to e raised to u cos v, so x square, that is e raised to 2u cos square v into dou z by dou x whole square, and y square, that is also e raised to 2u sin square v dou z by dou y whole square plus here also x square dou z by dou y whole square plus y square dou z by dou x whole square. Here e raised to u common, so we can take outside. So e raised to minus x into e raised to x, that is e raised to 0, that is 1. And here dou z by dou x terms, dou z by dou x whole square terms take common, so we get that sin square v plus cos square v inside, so that is 1 only. Here also dou z by dou y take outside, sin square v plus cos square v inside, that is 1. So we get the answer as dou z by dou x whole square plus dou z by dou y whole square. So we proved the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we get the answer as like this. Okay. Next question, if u is equal to u of y minus z, comma z minus x, comma x minus y, prove that dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to 0. Here the given u is a function of y minus z and z minus x and x minus y. So we consider that as r is equal to y minus z, x is equal to s is equal to z minus x, t is equal to z minus y. So u is a function of r s t. So we have to know that dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to 0. But u is a function of r s t. So dou u by dou x is equal to dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou x. Okay. So dou r by dou x with respect to x, that is 0, and dou s by dou x, that is minus 1, dou t by dou x, that is 1 only. We know that with respect to x derivative we get here, that is dou r by dou x, that is 0, dou s by dou x, that is equal to minus 1, dou t by dou x, that is equal to 1. So from that we know that dou u by dou x is equal to dou u by dou t minus dou u by dou x. Next we have to find dou u by dou y, that is dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou y plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou y. So here r with respect to y derivative, that is 1 only. Here we know that r is equal to y minus z, so that is 1 only, and dou u by dou s into dou s by dou y, that is equal to 0 only, dou u by dou t into dou t by dou y, that is minus 1. So we get dou u by dou y as dou u by dou r minus dou u by dou t, and similarly we get that as dou u by dou z, that is dou u by dou r into dou r by dou z plus dou u by dou s plus dou s by dou z plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou z. Dou r by dou z, that is minus 1, dou s by dou z, that is 1, dou t by dou z is equal to 0. How we get that is dou r by dou z is equal to minus 1? Here r is given as y minus z. So with respect to z derivative, that is y derivative, that is 0, minus z with respect to z derivative, that is minus 1. So we get minus 1 as the dou r by dou z. Similarly we get dou s by dou z and dou t by dou z. So from that we get the answer as dou u by dou z, that's equal to dou u by dou s minus dou u by dou r. And here in the question they want to know that is dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to 0. So here we find the three terms, and after adding it we get the answer as 0. So hence the question is proved. Next question, if u is equal to u of y minus x by xy minus z minus x divided by xz, show that x square dou u by dou x plus y square dou u by dou y plus z square dou u by dou z. So here we consider y minus x divided by xy as r, z minus x divided by xz is equal to s. So from that we know that a function of r and s is the u function. U function is a function of r and s. So we have to find dou u by dou x, means dou u by dou x is dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x. S here we can change that z minus x divided by xz as z by xz minus x divided by xz. So from that z cancel, x cancel, so from that we get that is 1 by x minus 1 by z. So after differentiation we get dou s by dou x, that is minus 1 by x square, and with respect to z derivative, that is 1 by z square. Similarly we can change r as 1 by x minus 1 by y, dou r by dou x as minus x square minus 1 by x square, dou r by dou x as minus 1 by x square, dou r by dou y as 1 by y square. And putting these differentiations in this equation, that is dou a by dou x is equal to dou a by dou r into minus 1 by x square plus dou a by dou s into minus 1 by x square. From that we get the answer as dou u by dou x as like this, and dou u by dou y also we know that u is a function of r and s, so we have to find dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou y. After putting the equations we get the answer as dou u by dou r into 1 by y square. So in this question, that is, and similarly we know that dou u by dou z is equal to dou u by dou s into 1 by z square. And this question they want to know that x square dou u by dou x plus y square dou u by dou y plus z square dou u by dou z is equal to 0. We know that dou u by dou x is equal to, here it is, and into x square means cancel x is 1 by x square, and also here, so we get the answer as minus dou u by dou r minus dou u by dou s. And y square into dou u by dou y means cancel the y square plus dou u by dou r, and 1 z square into dou u by dou z, that is cancel the z square plus dou u by dou s. After adding these things we get that these two terms are similar, so we can cancel it, and here also the same term cancel, so we get the answer as 0. So hence it is proved. Here in the question, if x cube plus 3x square y plus 6xy square plus y cube is equal to 1, find dy by dx. Here the function of x and y, so we know that dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y by differentiating x and y respectively. So we have to find dy by dx means we know the formula, that is dou f by dou x divided by dou f by dou y, that is dy by dx. Okay, so we first find x differentiation of this function. So x, by differentiating this function with respect to x, that is x cube is 3x square, 3x square y is 6xy plus 6xy square differentiation, that is 6y square. With respect to y differentiation, x cube differentiation is equal to 0, 3x square y differentiation is 3x square, 6xy square differentiation, that is 6x into y square differentiation with respect to y is 2y plus y cube differentiation 3y square. So we have to find dy by dx is equal to dou f by dou x divided by dou f by dou y by dividing second with the first, we get that is 3x square plus 6xy plus 6 into y square divided by 3x square plus 12xy plus 3y square. Here we know that we can cancel 3 throughout each term, so here 3, here 3 cancel, that is 2, here it's also 2, and here 3 cancel, and here 3 is 4 times 3, that is 4, here it is also 1, so we get the answer as like this. So hence it is found that hence we get the answer as like this. This is dy by dx. This is a question in which the function w is equal to f of x comma y. Here x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. You have to prove that dou w by dou r whole square plus 1 by r square dou w by dou theta whole square is equal to dou f by dou x whole square plus dou f by dou y whole square. Here we know that x is a function of r and theta and y is a function of r and theta, but the w is a function of x comma y. So we know that dou w by dou r is equal to dou f by dou x into dou x by dou r plus dou f by dou y into dou y by dou r. So for that we have to find this dou w dou r and dou y by dou r. Dou x by dou r, that is cos theta, so with respect to r differentiation only cos theta exists. Dou y by dou r is equal to cos sin theta, only sin theta exists. Dou x by dou theta, that is equal to r cos theta differentiation, that is minus sin theta, and dou y by dou theta is equal to r into cos theta. So we get the answer as like this. After putting the dou x by dou r and dou y by dou r in this expression, we get the answer as like this. And here also dou w by dou theta, we put the dou x by dou theta and dou y by dou theta in previous expressions, and we get dou w by dou theta. We know that in this question dou w by dou r whole square plus 1 by r square dou w by dou theta whole square, that's equal to dou f by dou x whole square plus dou f by dou y whole square. So dou w by dou r whole square, that is, we know that dou f by dou x whole square plus cos square theta plus dou f by dou y whole square plus sin square theta plus 2 into dou f by dou x dou f by dou y cos theta sin theta. Here also dou w by dou theta whole square means we get the answer as dou f by dou x whole square sin square plus r into r square plus r square cos square theta dou f by dou y whole square and into 2 into r square sin theta cos theta dou f by dou x into dou f by dou y, for which we have to multiply with 1 by r square. So cancel this r's, and after adding these we get the answer as dou f by dou x whole square plus dou f by dou y whole square.